Okay, here's a quick little one, a basic question taken from Edexcel 2017. Bearing in mind this one involves having no calculators, so I don't think you really need calculators for this question anyway. So, first of all, we've got a question here, and it's asking us to solve. So whenever they say solve, they want you to find out what the unknown thing is. Unknown item or unknown term is in this question. So anything that is unknown is basically not a number, because we're dealing with numbers in maths. So anything unknown in this is the non-numerical part or the variable. Okay, so you have a quick think to yourself, what do you think the non-numerical part of item in this equation is? There's a little clue. Ask you for the answer in terms of x here. So there, we need to find out what x is in this. Okay, so there's probably several methods that you can do with this. Okay, one of the first methods, let's try simplifying the fraction side a bit more. Okay, so let's just copy this bit down, x equals 5, and let's convert this side into fractions. Okay, so you have 2 and a half. So first of all, let's turn them all into half values, something with a denominator of 2. So a little side part here. How many halves fit into 2? Well, what divided by a half will equal 2? Let's again find out what x is. Multiply both sides by 2 times 2 equals 2 times 2. Right, that one should be quite easy. 4. This one, 2 halves times x. 1 times x equals 4. Therefore, x here equals 4. So 4 halves equal 2. Let's swap that in here. Let's turn this into this here. So this one can now be converted into 4 2s and a half, plus 1 half. Alright, and let's just copy this bit down, x5 equals here. Now these two share the same denominator, here and here. Let's share a denominator, and let's combine the top one, 4 plus 1. Again, just copy this down. Right, so x over 5 equals 5 2. So if we want to find out what x, we have to multiply x alone, we have to multiply that by 5. 5 times x5. But because it's equal, we now have to multiply both sides by 5. Let's move up here. So we have 5, x divided by 5 equals 5 times 5 divided by 2. This x here cancels. Cancel, cancel. Leaves us just with x on this side. 5 times 5 on the top, 25 divided by 2. Now, the quick amongst us will know that that's here. But if you're struggling and you're not allowed a calculator, we probably might have to go over here into a little side note saying what 25 divided by 2 is. You may need to show this. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2's into 5. How many 2's go into 5? 2 do. We also have a remainder of 1. So let's ready ourselves with our decimals. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. Minus this. 5 times 4 is 1. How many 2's go into 10? 5. Which is 12.5. So there you go, there's a little side bit. So our x equals 12.5. Let's check this up here. This is going to be our little check section up here. If x equals 12.5, then our solution equals what do we have? 5 2's. Okay, let's substitute x in there. Times them both by 2. Times that. That'd be 25 divided by 5 equals 5, which is true. Therefore, x equals 12.5.